my video of my acrylic paint pouring bunny, I had some questions about how I created the face for this bunny. Detail painting is really not one of my strong points. I did a search on Google to see what faces I would like, and then I sketched them out on paper. I trimmed the paper to make sure that the face would fit on my bunny, and then I traced the facial features onto the bunny with carbon paper. After that, I sketched them out with a sharpie so I can see them easier while I painted. For my paints, I am using Amsterdam acrylic paints. I like these paints because they are a heavy-bodied paint, which means it's a little more thicker than a craft paint, and it has more pigment in it. I am using a small detail brush, a small flat brush, and then a small rounded brush. I will put a link in the description box below to some of the supplies I am using. I have already started to fill in some of the eyes and the nose. This is the first layer for those areas. I am also starting to outline the whiskers, the eyebrows, the mouth, and then the tooth with the chin. Once those areas are dry, it's time to add the second layer. I am using Amsterdam white to fill in the whites of the eye. I am leaving a small outline of the black. This helps to add some detail in the final image. I did have to alternate between the flat brush and the small detail brush depending on the area I was painting. For example, in between those slats, I needed to use the small detail brush. But for the wide whites of the eyes, I used the flat brush to cover more area. The pink color for the nose, I mixed the white and the primary magenta color until I got a pink that I liked. Added a little detail to the nose by adding a white line. Layer of white dried, I added one more layer just to be sure I had coverage. So it is time to finish up his eyes. I am adding the black pupil area on the lower sections of the eyes. I can't see my drawing lines very well, so I am shaping as I go. That's it. Don't be afraid to give the bunny some characteristics and personality that you like. Let me know in the comment box what you think of this project, and thank you for giving this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.